So on number 1, we are going to write the formula down. Everybody go write it down on your piece of paper. What formula did you write down? A equals P upon parentheses 1 plus R to the T power. So, just with a pencil, you're just on the sheet of paper. That's what I need to see. So now, guys, all we're going to do is follow the formula. What goes under P? Yes, the principal. Right. What goes under 1? 1 plus. Now, this is the rate. What am I going to write for the rate? Why do I have to put 0.0023? I have to move it over to the left 2 times. Test. Okay, so now to what power is it going to be? How many years? Where'd you guys get 10 from? 8th birthday, and now he's 18. 10 years. And so then all we have to do is put it in the calculator. Go. No. Put it in again. Follow the formula. Follow exactly. So round it off to the nearest cent and it'll be 30 cents. Guys, follow the formula exactly. Put in exactly what it says. Exactly as is. Now remember I told you that the rate is where you were going to miss it if you didn't move the decimal back 2 times. I've had people say, well, it's already a decimal. No, it's a percent. It's a percent. Okay, so you have to move the decimal back 2 times regardless. Okay, number 2. Number 2. Guys, there are some people that put all these answers in the problem and found the one that worked. But if you did that and got it right, okay. But I need you to be able to write the equation. So we're going to start that. So on the left, we're going to do, yeah, if you've already got it right, then you don't do anything. That's good. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, so number 2. On right price, he would have to pay $3.86 plus 20 cents a mile. You need to change that to 0.20. Then on Econocar, $3.44 plus 35 cents a mile. I want to know at what distance, that's how many miles, would the total charges be equal? Everybody circle equal. And you put an equal sign in there. Oh, if you got it right, you don't have to correct, do you? So we're going to circle M's, draw my river. Uh-oh, I've got M's on both sides. So I need to go subtract. I need to go subtract 0.35 M. Get rid of my M's over there. So I get 386, what? Minus 0.15 M equals 344. Circle the M. I'm going to subtract 386. Because, see, I've got my m. I got to get rid of the 386 and the negative 0.15. So I'm going to get negative 0.15 m equals negative 42. I'm going to divide by negative 0.15 on both sides. What do you get? 280. Good. Callie got it right. Who else got it right? Good, good, good. You did it just like this and got it right. The first time. The first time. Okay, good job. So, Shelby and Stormy, Angel, and Tucker. You did all this and got it right the first time. Great. Okay, look at number 3. Okay, number 3. How do you get area of a square? Go ahead. Yeah, or side squared, because the sides are the same, length and width are the same. So if 89 is the area, we're trying to find the side length. I'm trying to find what times what gives me 89. So I'm going to take the square root of 89. Remember the square root button? It's, yes, second. You have to hit second and the x square button at 89. And what do you get? 9.43. Guys, a lot of you pick 22.25. Put 22.25 in your calculator and square it. Do x squared button. Do you get 89? No. 22 times 22 I know is 484, not 89. Okay, number 4. Number 4. Now we've got Jim. Look, he gets a commission. He might sell insurance. He might sell cars. He might sell boats. He works on commission. So he gets a percentage of what he sells. Guys, it's not asking for the answer. It's saying which equation. So you cover up the answer choices, and you have to write your own equation, just like you would do if I didn't have the answer choices there. You're pretending they're not there. That's how you show work. So right now he's making $300 a week plus 4% of his sales. You have to change 4% to a decimal times his sales. Now they bumped his salary up to $450 a week. He's making more a week, but they lowered his commission. Now he's only getting 2%. And he's trying to figure out which one shows the amount in sales he will need for his salary to be the same. God bless you. So which one is that going to be? Which one is the same as that? J, isn't it? Look at J. They tried to trick you. But if you write your own, it's much easier to pick. Okay, good. Look at number 5. Okay, look at number 5. Okay, number 5. Guys, what we have to do is get the perimeter. We don't know the perimeter, but I know that I'm going to add my x's up, and what am I going to get? Haley, we're on number 5. Are you on number 5? Good. So, how many x's are over there? 3 x's plus what? What's 4 plus 7 plus 11? 22. Good. And that equals, on our rectangle, opposite sides are equal or congruent. That's going to be what? 4x plus 5 plus 5. 10. Look, 5 plus 5 is 10. No, that's 4 x's plus 10. Okay? Now, we're going to solve this for x. Guys, when I get x, I'm not done because it wants the perimeter. So I'm going to subtract 4 x's from both sides. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. You can subtract 3x, put your x's on the right, but I wanted, this is why we've been doing it together, eliminating our x's off the right side. So I get negative 1x plus 22 equals 10. Correct? Circle my, oh, I didn't circle the x's, draw the river. Nobody reminded me either. Circle the x. Now what do I need to get eliminate? Good. So negative 1x equals, what's 10 minus 12? Negative 12. Now I need to divide by negative 1. So x is 12. Is that my answer? No, because I still got to get perimeter. To get perimeter of that rectangle, I could use either one, but I'm going to use 4x plus 10. I'm going to use the rectangle. So 4 times 12, look, we think x is 12, or we found out x was 12. Oh, we didn't check it, did we? Okay, just take my word, it's 12. Plus 10. So what's 48 plus 10? Now, remember what I told you on these bubble ones. You didn't need to bubble here, but please circle your answer so we could see what it was. Who did that? Who circled their final answer? About 3 people, 4 people. Okay, well, that's fine. I just want you to circle it. Hey, I'm going to practice showing you how to bubble, even though I told you not to bubble here. Plus 58. And you do not need to put the decimal 0, 0. You don't have to do that. Okay. Number 6. Guys, on number 6, I equals PRT. They gave you the formula. You didn't even have to go look at your reference chart. So the principal's 2,000. What's the rate? Good. And what's the year? 1 year. And all you had to do was go multiply. You needed to write the formula. And then follow it, and you got what? 100. Circle. Interest is 100. Okay, number 7. Number 7. Cover up your answers. Trisha, Melanie. Trisha is saving. She's going to save $10.25 and add $5.15 per month. Well, look. Trisha started with $10.25 and adds $5.15 a month. Melanie doesn't start with anything, but she starts saving $10.25 a month. After how many months, M, will they both have the same, circle same? So what sign am I going to put there? Good. And then all I've got to do is go pick, and it's F. Oh, we glued down the new answer choices. We all had glued, and we glued it down. New answer. Everybody got a sheet, and we glued it down. And they just see, it looked like that. But you wrote it right, and she just gave you credit. Okay, look at 8. We've got Jack and we've got Tim. Jack goes 3.5 feet per second, and Tim goes 5.25 feet per second. Rate times time gives you the distance. But Jack's slower, so they gave him a 10-foot head start. We want to know S, the seconds that Tim's car will be ahead of Jack's. Be ahead. So what symbol am I going to put here? No. Less than, no. Greater. I I want Tim's to be greater than Jack's. You got to open the mouth up to Tim's. But then you go look at your answer choices and you're going to choose H because it's written backwards. That's what y'all were doing. Okay? That's what you were meaning. Okay? Okay, number 9. If I'm doing a sample, if I'm doing a survey, I've got to sample all kinds of people. I can't just ask one homeroom, so it's going to be B. I've got to do a random sampling of the entire. I don't ask everybody. I do a sample of everybody. Okay, number 10. I hope you multiplied this out and got 24 million. Then, just a minute. And then you're going to put your decimal home. That's the home decimal. Put it between the 2 and the 4. Take it home. 2.4 times 10 to the 7. Okay? I need you to take your checkpoint, pass it to the left or right. Checkpoint to the left or the right. And then take your corrections page separate and Stormy, take up the correction pages, and Shelby, pick up the checkpoints.